Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add photo and video together on Instagram story. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. And by the way, this is the easiest tutorial that you can find here on YouTube. So now just go ahead and swipe your finger from left to right, and then click on the album settings at the lower left corner of your screen and choose the video that you want to put. For example, this video. So now you have your video, and to add a photo, you want to click on the sticker icon at the upper part of your screen. Scroll down until you see this image option. Okay, so now just go ahead and choose the photo that you want to put. So this is the photo, and if you want to change the shape of it, just go ahead and tap on it. Okay, and now if you want to add a music, you want to click on the sticker button again and click on music. So now you can select your music and just go ahead and post it on your story. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.